Hey folks, welcome to this video. It's Femi here and I'm super glad you are here. If this is the first time you're checking out a video of mine, welcome to the fam. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I am going to be attempting on my hair the very popular DIY avocado deep conditioner. This is going to be the first time I'll be using avocado on my hair, so let me just prepare you. We are going to be in for some ride. Before we get into this video, please click the like button, please subscribe, and please turn on your post notifications. For this treatment, I got 2 avocados, and by the time I was ready to use them, one was overripe already. So I would say this, that if you have no intentions of using your avocado immediately, then you may not need to get ripe ones. Just get not ripe ones. After I removed all of it, I added 1.5 tablespoons of honey, then followed with 2 tablespoons of pure almond oil. After that, I added 2 spoons of olive oil. No, I was not using any particular measurements, just doing as the spirit desired. I blended the mix so I had better consistency. Now, I would say when you want to apply on your hair, make sure you're wearing your deep conditioning t-shirt, your special deep conditioning t-shirt, because it is messy. The first thing I noticed about this treatment was the fact that it had good sleep. It had good sleep. That was the very first thing I noticed, and this was the second thing I noticed. Please watch my face carefully.
What? Guys! Oh
I was so shocked when I saw that avocado activated my curls. Now I know that I have looser curls at the back section of my hair, but they are only ever activated with gels or jelly products. So for avocado to do this, I was like, what? I was shocked, as you can see from my expression. I was so shocked, and I was very happy. I mean, this was off to a good start. So I massaged it into my scalp, then twisted my hair. I'm going to be showing you how the sleep looks better in the next section. Look at how I glide my hands through them very easily, very easily. So when I was applying the avocado on my hair, I noticed that I did not see any other curls. Like the kind of curls that popped at the back of my hair did not pop in any other section. The rest of my hair was just basically the same. So at this point I was like, okay, maybe it's just asleep. Maybe it's just asleep. So I applied the treatment all over my hair. I focused on my strands, but of course I also added to my scalp. Deep conditioning treatments are usually said to be for the strands, but I don't know, when I am applying anything on my strands, my roots always get some of it. Like, my roots always get some of it. So let me know if you're like me in the comment section, because I know I cannot be alone. As soon as I was done with all the sections, I proceeded to put a nylon on my hair, then put my steam cap. If you'd like to know why I put a nylon first, watch my review of the steam cap. It's going to be in the description box. I left it on my hair for an hour, and by the time I removed it, I noticed that my hair felt full. Like, it felt full. I don't know if you can really see it from the picture, but it felt full. Now the rinsing of part 3. I'm going to keep quiet because I want you guys to see my reaction, guys. That's what I wanted to show you. Like, where did they come from? Where? I am amazed because this is my hair with 0 products. Like, oh boy. I'm honestly, guys, I am shook. I am actually shook because how does my hair have this much curls with no product in? How, guys? Let me rinse this one so I can show you. How? Look at, guys, my hair has curls. Hey! So I want to see how the back of my hair that already has normal, like no, that already normally has vibrant curls. Let me see how it's looking. Hey, Omali Chama. Ah, guys, how? How do I? What? I actually have this kind of curls on my hair without gel, not a twist out. Alright guys, so I am all done. I've rinsed all of my hair and I am loving my hair for sure. I'm going to be moisturizing my hair now and it's already late, but Ma's gotta do what she gotta do. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give a very big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Also, comment your experiences with avocado if you've tried it. I would love to hear your experiences. Thank you so much guys for watching. Oh yeah, also tell me like other things to experiment with my hair, because I am ready to like get into this full time. Alright guys, see you in the next video.